Good morning, beta. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is your chapter number 3, Understanding Coordinator. Understanding coordinator means in this chapter we are going to deeply study chapter coordinator. You know that quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. It is a four-sided closed figure. So let's understand the meaning of the closed curve, simple curve, open curve. So this is the first topic, that is your curves. A plane curve is a curve that lies in a single plane or a plane surface like paper. Like these are the curves that you can draw on the plane paper. So first curve is your closed curve. When you start from one point and after moving in any direction, when you come again to the same point, when you join from the starting point, this is called your closed curve. This is your simple closed curve. है ये भी closed है, ये वाला भी closed है, ये सारे closed curve है. But you have to search for the simple or complex curve. So in this, the curve that is simple means that is not overlapping the other. That is called your simple closed. देखो ये वाला simple है, cursor is visible, ये simple है, ये भी simple है, oval shape. But ये जो है ये complex है, ऐसे ये भी complex है. Okay? तो ये जो दोनों कर्व हैं, ये दोनों जो है कॉम्प्लेक्स क्लोज कर्व है, लेकिन ये जो दोनों है, ये वाला और ये सिंपल क्लोज कर्व. Now the curve that you can see here in the bottom are open curve. When the starting point and the ending point doesn't meet each other, then that type of curve is known as open curve. Is it okay? So we have one question in your book. You have to mention the simple closed curve, or you have to search for these type of curve. So that you will do today in the homework. Okay. So I'm going to tell you the number of that question. Question number. Wait. Let me check the page number. 3.1, page number 41. Simple curve, closed curve. ये बताना. Can you tell me what is polygon? What is polygon? Yes, anyone? Polygon.
I'm a closed curve made of line segments.
Yes. Any closed curve that is entirely made up of line segment only is called your closed curve, that is polygon. Okay. So polygon is a closed curve that is entirely made up of line segment. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? So you will write this definition of plane curve in your notebook and you will draw closed curve, open curve in your notebook. I can tell you the page number from the book. The same thing is given in your book on page number 37. Are you getting me? Any problem? So you please take the screenshot of this page. You will write plane curve and you will write simple curve and open curve. You will draw one simple curve and one closed curve. ये draw कर देना. एक ये draw कर देना. ये और ये. ठीक है? Next is polygon. Polygon, as Akul has already told you, polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by three or more straight sides that meet in a pair in the same number of vertices and do not intersect. Means do not intersect other than at these vertices. Means कोई भी polygon आपने बनाया तो वो दो जो उसके vertices है, दो जो उसकी edges हैं वो एक जगह पे meet करनी चाहिए. It should not meet at any other point. Okay, they will at a time they will meet at one point. Okay, so polygon, write down polygon, a simple closed curve made up of only line segments. Instead of this definition, it is too big, too large. So you will write just one simple sentence. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called polygon. Okay, and you can draw rectangle, square. Can you give me any example? Yes, Madhav. Madhav, can you give an example? Yes, Prabsharan. Pari.
Hello.
Ma'am, quadrilaterals.
Yes. Quadrilateral is a closed polygon, simple polygon because it is made up of line segment.
Triangles.
Can you tell me any particular type of parallel polygon? Like you have spoken quadrilateral, five-sided. Can you tell me the name of five-sided polygon?
Ma'am, pentagon.
Yes. Pari, yes, six-sided polygon is called
Hexagon.
hexagon. Okay. So this topic we will also discuss. The polygon of three side is called. The polygon of three side is called. The polygon of three side. Yes, Sanvi.
Ma'am, triangle.
Polygon of four side.
Ma'am, square.
It can be quadrilateral. Okay.
Ma'am, rectangle.
Rectangle, yes. Now one more thing. One more word is here, regular polygon. Regular means when all the side and all the angles are equal. If the figure is regular, that means all the angle and all the sides are equal. So that means the four-sided. Can you tell me the regular three-sided polygon? Yes, Jasmine. Rudransh, Simarpreet. Can you tell me the name of three-sided regular polygon? Yes, Harman.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, bolo. Regular polygon of three sides.
I'm equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle, yes. Now, what is the name of four-sided regular polygon?
I'm square.
Yes, exactly. It's a square. Yes, Anjani. Regular polygon of five sides. Sameer. Kavish. Five-sided regular polygon is called pentagon. Six-sided regular polygon is called hexagon. Okay. So regular means when all the side and all the angles are equal. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, have you written the definition of the polygon? Have you written the meaning of the polygon? It is a closed shape polygon, closed figure of which is made up of line segment only. And the example is rectangle, square, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, all are the examples. Now next is your parts of a polygon. Part means vertices, edges, plane face, consecutive sides, opposite side, opposite angle like this. So these are the parts. Where the two edges, these are the two edges, or you can say that two line segments meet each other. This is called the edge. This is called the vertex. A is the vertex, B is the vertex, C is the vertex, D is the vertex. Where two edges meet each other, that common point is called the vertex. Okay. Can you tell me the name of this shape? Which shape is this? Yes, Rudransh, Harman. Can you
Yes,
tell?
ma'am.
Ma'am, it is
Yes.
a rhombus.
No, it is not rhombus, beta. This is
Ma'am, parallelogram.
quadrilateral. Simple quadrilateral is given. No relation is given in this. So when no relation is given between the sides and angles, that will be your quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Its name is ABCD.
Ma'am, proceed.
ABCD is a quadrilateral. You can write the name in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction also. You can write ABCD or you can write DABC also. Both are correct. No difference. Can you tell me the consecutive side? Consecutive side means continuous side, like BC, CD. Consecutive side. AB, BC. CD, DA. DA, AB. So there are, I have spoken 4 pairs of consecutive side. This is written 4 pair. 4 pair. We have already taken the name. Can you tell me the edges of this polygon? What are the edges? What are the edges? Rudransh, on your video first. Can you tell me the Adish? Yes, Akul. Yes, Rudransh. Can you tell me the name? Can you speak of the edges?
Ma'am, BC,
Yes,
AD,
yes,
and CD.
AB. 4 edges are there. What is this called? B क्या है ये? B क्या है?
Ma'am, B,
Is the vertex. B is the
but
A,
vertex.
B, C, D are the vertex. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And what is the plane surface? Which is the plane surface?
Ma'am, A and D.
प्लेन सरफेस मीन ये जो इसका फेस है पूरा, ये ABCD पूरा प्लेन है, तो ये प्लेन सरफेस है, ये पूरा प्लेन सरफेस पे बनी हुई फिगर. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट इज you will first write simple closed curve, open closed curve. Then you will write the definition of the polygon. Part of the polygon you will not write. Now this topic you will write the diagonal. Diagonal. What is diagonal, beta? When you join the vertex of the polygon, you have to join. ये देखो, ये जो S है, ये इसका कंजेक्टिव पॉइंट P है, S का कंजेक्टिव पॉइंट R है. कंजेक्टिव पॉइंट्स की बजाय जब आप उसके ऑपोजिट वाले को ज्वाइन करते हो, दे विल गिव यू द डायगोनल. ठीक है. तो डायगोनल ऑफ अ पॉलीगन इज एनी लाइन सेगमेंट दैट ज्वाइन नॉन कंजेक्टिव वर्टेक्स. कंजेक्टिव को ज्वाइन करोगे वो तो एज ही बन जाएगा फिगर का. कंजेक्टिव को ज्वाइन करोगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? एज. बट वी वांट डायगोनल. डायगोनल इज अ लाइन दैट इज लाइंग इनसाइड द फिगर. रुद्रांश, डोंट, क्या कर रहे हो? So diagonal is of the polygon is a line segment that is formed by joining the non-consecutive vertices. तो जैसे ये आपके पास polygon है, चलो एक फॉर्मूला लिखो, ये फॉर्मूला लिखो. This is the formula for finding the number of diagonals. ऐसे नहीं लिखना, मैं बोलती हूँ वो लिखो n, write down n, ब्रैकेट में n minus 3 upon 2, n minus 3 upon 2. ठीक है. ये सारा कुछ हम करेंगे क्वेश्चंस वगैरह इसके बेस पे. तो ये जो आपका ये फॉर्मूला है, आपकी ये जो फिगर है, ये कौन सी फिगर है? पेंटागन. 5 पुट करो n की जगह, n की जगह 5 पुट करो. टेल मी द नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल. यस अकुल.
मैम आप एक बार फॉर्मूला दोबारा से रिपीट कर दो.
ये लिख लो, ये लिख लो जो लिखा है स्क्रीन पे, ये भी सेम ही है.
ओके मैम.
इसमें से मैंने n कॉमन ले लिया था. मैंने n कॉमन लेके बोला, इन्होंने कॉमन नहीं लिया. कोई बात नहीं, आप ऐसे लिख लो वैसे लिख लो, एक ही बात है. n टाइम्स n minus 3 upon 2. n ब्रैकेट में n minus 3 ब्रैकेट क्लोज अपॉन 2. कितने डायगोनल्स आ रहे हैं? n को 5 पुट कर लो.
मैम 5।
5 आ रहे हैं? हाँ जी 5 आई, ठीक है, ठीक है, क्लियर है। रुद्रांश, हैव यू गॉट द आंसर? ओके, चलो यही फॉर्मूला यूज करके हेक्सागन के डायगोनल्स बताओ कितने होंगे। व्हाट आर द नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल्स फॉर हेक्सागन? n into n minus 3 upon 2. Get the number of diagonals. This formula you will write in the fair notebook. This formula you will write in the fair notebook. This formula is for finding the number of diagonals of n-sided polygon. This formula is for finding the number of diagonals of an n-sided polygon. Pari? Yes, Pari. Beta, what is the formula?
9 diagonals.
How many diagonals you are getting for hexagon?
9 diagonals.
9. Can you speak up the formula for finding the number of diagonals?
N bracket n minus 3 upon 2.
Very good. Thank you, beta. N into n minus 3 upon 2. Yes, Rajat. Samiksha, Tanmay, Matangi. Hurry up. Now find the number of diagonals of a quadrilateral. Using the same formula, find the number of diagonals of a quadrilateral. Nidhi. Yes, Prabsharan. Anjani. What are the number of diagonals that you are getting for quadrilateral? Navya. Janvi.
Ma'am, 4.
No, beta. 4 is not the correct answer. How many diagonals are there? Take n is equal to 4. 2.
2.
2 diagonals are there. Yes. Who is this, beta? Okay. What do you mean by diagonal? Diagonal is a line segment that join the non-consecutive vertices. So we have learned the formula n into n minus 3 upon 2. That is for finding the number of diagonals of a polygon. Yes, do you have any diagonal in case of a triangle? Can you have? You can check it out by using the formula or by drawing the figure again. You can verify it by constructing a triangle. Do we have a diagonal for your triangle? रुद्रांश,
Yes, ma'am.
ट्रायंगल में डायगोनल होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
होता है? कैसे होता है मुझे भी बता के दिखाओ, नोटबुक पे बना के दिखाओ.
No, there is no diagonal of a triangle.
Actually, triangle has 3 vertex. कंसेक्टिव को जब आप ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते, नॉन कंसेक्टिव में तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? नॉन कंसेक्टिव में क्या बन जाएगा? वो तो साइड बन जाएगी. तो ट्रायंगल डोंट हैव डायगोनल. यू कैन यूज द फॉर्मूला एज वेल बेटा. You can use the formula as well. Check it out. You will be getting 0 as answer. Use the formula n into n minus 3 upon 2. Answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. Okay. So triangle have no diagonal. Now let's come to the next topic. This is known as classification of polygons. We have two type of polygon, convex polygon and non-convex. Non-convex are known as concave. Yes, listen. If you take 2 points, look here. If you we were just discussing that in a case of a triangle, if you join two non-consecutive vertices, then you will get a diagonal. ये वर्टेक्स है, ये इसकी कंजेक्टिव है, ये इसकी कंजेक्टिव है, तो नॉन कंजेक्टिव तो है ही नहीं, तो ज्वाइन कैसे करोगे? इसका मतलब नो डायगोनल. ठीक है. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट कन्वेक्स एंड कनकेव, आपने कोई भी शेप बनाई, if you join these two vertices and the line that is joining these 2 points is lying entirely in the figure, this figure is known as convex. If the line segment joining the 2 points of the figure line segment joining the 2 vertices of the shape lie inside the figure, then the figure is said to be convex, otherwise it will be concave. Like if I talk about this shape, if I join 2 points, the line is passing outside also, moving outside also. So this is concave. Got it? So इसका मतलब है जो line है that should lie inside the figure. Read this. A polygon is a concave if 2 points somewhere inside it for which a line segment with these endpoints cut at least 2 of the sides. 2 sides को कट कर रहा है. आपने देखा जब मैंने एग्जांपल बोर्ड पे ज्वाइन किया है, वो उसकी 2 साइड को कट कर रही है लाइन, मतलब बाहर से बाहर भी मूव कर रही है और उसकी 2 साइड को कट कर रही है, तो इसका मतलब वो कनकेव है. आपने डेफिनेशन कौन सी लिखनी है? That I will send you. Okay, that is written in the book. Polygons that are convex have no portion of their diagonal in the exterior. Write down. Polygons that are convex. Polygons that are convex have no portion of their diagonals. Polygons that are convex have no portion of their diagonals lying in the exterior. Means their whole diagonal will lie inside the figure. If the diagonal is moving out, that means the figure is not convex, it is concave. Have you written this? Polygons that have no portion of their diagonal in the exterior are called convex. Okay. So the figure which are not convex, they are naturally concave figures. Is it okay? Any doubt? So this definition you will write in your notebook and you will draw the figure that is given on page number 39. On page number 39, 2 types of figures are given. One is for convex and another is for concave. So you will draw one example of each for the convex as well as for the concave. Now, this is again same type. Instead of convex polygon, they have written pentagon. In case of concave, they have written concave figures की जगह उन्होंने लिख दिया concave pentagon. Means when all the diagonals are totally lie inside the figure, they are called convex. If they are lying outside, like this red line is lying outside the figure, this is called concave. Are you getting me? Is it okay, Rudransh? Any doubt in this? Now, one more thing, as I've already asked you about the example of a polygon with regular polygon with three sides, you have already told me the example about the equilateral triangle. When all the three sides and all the three angles of a triangle are equal, then the figure is called equilateral polygon. That means their all angles and all sides are equal. So it's same is the case for regular polygon. A convex polygon that is both equilateral and equiangular. Equilateral means all side equal. Equiangular means all angles are equal. Then the figure is called regular. And the irregular polygon is a polygon that is not regular. Regular means when all the side and all the angles are equal. If sides and angles are not equal, the figure is called irregular. Is it okay? Any doubt? Now, let's come to the classification of polygons. This we have already discussed. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. Quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Pentagon is a five-sided polygon. Hexagon is a six-sided. Septagon or heptagon, both are same. You can write any of these words. That is seven-sided. Octagon is eight-sided. Nonagon is 10-sided. Sorry, nine-sided. Decagon is 10-sided polygon. So you please take screenshot of this page. This you have to learn. You should learn the name of the polygon till 10 sides. Now the one more word will be added. If all the sides and all the angles are equal, then all these figure will become regular. Regular triangle means equilateral. Regular quadrilateral means square. This will become regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular heptagon, regular octagon, regular nonagon, regular decagon. Anything you want to ask me here? Anything? Any doubt? Is it okay? You have to write in the things that you have write in the introduction is open curve, closed curve, polygon. Then you will write convex polygon, concave polygon. You will write the definition of the convex. You will draw the example. Concave, for the concave, you will just draw the example. If you want me to send the definition, I can send you. Then you will write diagonal, meaning of diagonal and the formula for the diagonal. That is given on page number 38. Is it okay? Next is your regular polygon. This we have already discussed. You please read it out. This we have already done in the previous slide. Please read it out. Equilateral means all side equal. Equiangular means all angles equal. Then the figure is said to be regular polygon. Triangle having three-side equilateral, four-sided equal sides square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular heptagon, regular octagon, regular nonagon, regular decagon. So these are regular polygons. What are irregular? If all the sides are different and angles are different, then the figure is said to be irregular. Any doubt? Now, the next topic is sum of the interior angle. What do you mean by interior angle? Can you tell me how many interior angles are formed in case of a triangle? How many interior angles can be formed in case of a triangle? कितने angles form होते हैं?
Ma'am, 3.
3. What will be the sum of the 3 angles?
Ma'am, 180 degrees.
If you combine 2 triangles, what will be the total sum?
Ma'am, 360 degrees.
Yes. As we have combined 2 triangles, ये देखो सपोज आपने ये फर्स्ट और सेकंड ट्रायंगल को कंबाइन किया, फर्स्ट के एंगल्स का सम है 180, सेकंड ट्रायंगल के एंगल्स का सम है 180. 180 plus 180 will give you 360. Now this figure you can see that it is divided into three triangles, 1, 2, 3. The sum of the angles is 180, 180, 180. Then the total sum will be 540. So you have to search for the number of triangles the figure can be divided. So that will give you the total sum of all the angles.